Ayun.
Hello, nandito kami ngayon sa PEG sa Edmonton. Kasama namin yung anak namin. Pangalan si Denise.
Ako yung nagkaway-kaway.
I know. It's like, are you the daughter?
Wala yung isa naming anak, si Totoy. Sobrang work.
Nasa work.
Sa work siya. Pero kami, mga tamad kami. So, kaya galing na namin bakasyon, pauwi na kami sa Saskatoon.
Wow.
Dito muna kami kakain. Hintay namin yung pagkain namin. Yung mga desert na. Alright, go ahead. Start cutting the cheese, the burrata.
Actually, use your own.
No, I don't. Ikaw na. Do it.
Excuse me. There you go. Burrata.
Biglang naman.
Buratka. There you go. Appetizer muna tayo. Starters.
Sige nga, tignan mo.
Yeah.
Try it.
It's so good.
You've never had that before, right? Wala pa na yan.
Yeah. Because that one is mixed with like pineapple and it's a matcha colada. So not just matcha. Pina colada.
Still working on it. It's almost done. Say hi, June. Say hi. Say hi, mahal na Reyna. Alright, so andito na yung pagkain namin. She's got the salmon. Salmon din ang kay Denise. Kevin's got the primary burger. Yeah, and then I got the ribeye, 20-ounce ribeye. Should be a good meal. There you go. All right, chow time. Can I see Dana? Oh, you got the bacon too? Yeah. Can you open it up? Take up the top bun. Just pick it up. Oh my God. You're gonna hold it anyway. Ooh, that's a lot of sauce. All right. First taste.
Eaten? Is Cameron eaten enough?
Huh? How about
Is Cameron
you?
eaten enough? Is it my turn?
Is it your turn?
Maganda ko, maganda ko ganyan.
Huh?
No, they're the same. They're the exact same thing.
Okay.
Grass is greener on the other side.
Okay. You've had that before. The exact same thing.
Good.
How about yours? How's it?
Hot.
First, thank you.
It's all about our we have a whole live and
Good? First bite, Kevin? The fries? First bite of fries.
Saka naman.
You gotta try
Yeah, 20 ounce. Who wants some steak? I can't. Hindi ko siguro maubos doon. Laki.
Not a steak girly.
That's huge.
Because I'm not a steak girly.
That is huge. Okay. Okay. And ulit. Good? Okay. Be back again later. There. Eating right away. No, tomahawk is like overrated. Because it's just like quarter is the bone. All for me? Because right cooked the way I like it. But it's not focusing on it.
Mas pala. Masit.
Normally I order medium rare or medium. Medium pag my wife wants to, like, have some. So we're starting to put everything away because hindi namin maubos. I guess we weren't that hungry. So,
No, madami kasi tayo kinain natin tayo.
yeah, we had like quite a bit of appetizer too. Plus kumain kami ng breakfast. So,
Si Kevin hindi.
7-minute breakfast pero masama pa rin.
Take a charot. Hey! Nagmana.